Hello from Dreams Beach Hostel in Jumeirah Beach Residence, Dubai. Subscribe to Traveling Bits.
So let me introduce them first. Max.
Chase.
Gabriella Bachelor.
It was Gabby's idea to go for a night walk and have pizza. I had heard various accounts that Dubai is pretty safe, and this night I had experienced firsthand that even at the middle of the night, it's safe. You can walk around freely and experience Dubai. We just came out of Shams Tower 2. It is part of a 8-tower gated community in the Jumeirah Beach Residence area in overall Greater Dubai Marina. If you have not subscribed to our channel Traveling Bits, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for future updates.
So the guide on the walk right in front of us.
It has another name, but it's adopted the same name as London, Dubai Eye.
Okay.
And Bla Bla is a fantastic club. If you want to go to the club. Don't come out on the street drunk because you will get arrested.
So what street is it?
Huh?
What street is it?
The street?
Get there.
I don't know.
Okay.
But then,
You're like some jealous.
What is this street called again?
Kinda, yeah. I went to one.
I don't know. We're in Amwaj, I think. What's the name of this street, sir? JBR. We're in JBR.
JBR, okay.
I think it's just a
Jumeirah
generalized.
Beach Road, I got it.
Yeah, Jumeirah Beach Road.
It is near to midnight, and see, the streets are still teeming with life. Jumeirah Beach Residence is one of the most happening area in Dubai. Sports, all of that business, all of that's good. That stuff's positive.
So you can even hire sports cars and all those things.
Look, look, these are
Paralyzed, you know, so I just find money and then finally spending.
That's like a Ferrari and Lamborghini.
Oh, you had this probably in Oman too, right? Right? Not a thing.
Good enough for one dinner?
Yeah, like they're so cheap you can't say no.
Okay. So you have to purchase something they give you, or you just get it?
No, so you have to buy stuff from the supermarket.
Okay.
There's only particular supermarkets that give these, so I try to go to them, and they know me, so usually if they have a few spare ones left over, they give me them.
Okay.
And that's how I save my money here.
Wow.
Living in Dubai on a budget. That's like TK Maxx. You know what TK Maxx is?
What is it about?
It's designer clothing for them and great clothes. Oh, we got coupons.
Thank you so much.
Well, then we're going to One Direction because it's
store, I swear they bombard you.
That is why they have opened the shop. Gabby?
Yeah, but like, it's seriously, it's awful.
This city reminds a bit of Las Vegas. You know, it's like just for amusement, just money coming in,
Yep.
goods coming in, money going out.
Dubai is no less.
These ones are the worst ones.
Five Guys. Wow. This is a good experience walking at the middle of the night in a city. You get to know how the city behaves when
Yeah, a lot of
it's
shops are open normally.
Yep.
Till 2 or 3 o'clock.
So how's
This
your
is one of the
experience
main.
when where you stay back in your country? Like, is it still, you know, 1/2 midnight? Do you still have shops open?
No, everything is closed
Okay.
after 8.
Okay.
I mean, besides bars.
In the UK, most shops close at 5:30.
5.
Yeah, 5:30.
Really?
We did used to have 24-hour stuff, but after COVID, everything is done now. COVID ruined everything, everyone's business, the whole economy is
5 o'clock, isn't it too early?
5:30 p.m.
Oh, that's what, isn't it too early?
Of
Yeah.
course it's too early. Oh, we have late night on a Thursday, where stuff closes at 8. That's not his Ferrari, so I don't know why he's getting upset that you're recording.
So Gabby, how much does it cost if you want to rent a high-end car?
Oh, probably like 1,000 dirhams
Yeah,
for like
€1,000?
an hour or something. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Wow, look, it's a little bird.
Wow.
I'm not sure if tomorrow is on the day or not.
Lamborghini.
This space is for culture.
Tell me, you know, what is your experience about nightlife in Dubai?
Oh, okay. So the last time I came to Dubai about a year ago, I came with some people that had money from my
Then you
city.
go in the water
So
and you
everything
think,
was
"What the hell
amazing.
happened to me?"
But if you come
think
here
it's like the
alone
fish
as a
cannot
vulnerable
survive.
female, like
So
don't
warm.
bother going out alone. Like you need to go with a group because everybody is trying to buy you, physically buy you. What else do you want to know? Yeah, it can get
So what do you
crazy
like more?
in the
Slow
bar,
down?
but as soon as you come out on the street, you gotta behave yourself because you're gonna get arrested.
like the color?
I typically would like to do for different cities, walking late at night. When you will see cities, what time they break and how they behave late at night, you can make a lot of understanding of that. And my understanding of Dubai is that it does make a statement that even if the city is going on a full swing at 1 a.m. at night, it does mean business. So, see this cola for 6 dirhams. And in India, if I say, you know, I had cola for 6 dirhams, people are gonna laugh at me.
And we shared it, but I haven't even had one sip yet.
हिंदी आती है?
हाँ?
हिंदी आती है?
Chole.
समझ में आती है?
Tata.
तत्ता या तोरा तोरा?
Guys, we are now going to Carrefour store here in Dubai. It's about 1:30 in the night and we are still able to go to a supermarket and buy things. It's just amazing.
Come on guys, let's see midnight supermarket tour, and only because of this lady.
That's all for today. Do let us know how did you like the video through your comments, likes and shares. Please subscribe to our channel Traveling Beats and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.